everyone, welcome back to Infinite Languages. Today we are diving into an essential grammar topic, direct and indirect speech. If you have ever wondered how to report what someone said correctly, this lesson is for you. Let's get started. Direct and indirect speech, also known as reported speech, helps us communicate what someone has said. We can either quote their exact words or paraphrase them. Direct speech means reporting the speaker's words exactly, using quotation marks. For example, she said, "I'm going to the market." Indirect speech conveys the message without quoting the exact words. Instead, we make necessary changes to pronouns, verb tenses, and other elements. For example, she said that she was going to the market. Here are a few more examples of how direct speech changes into indirect speech. He said, "I'm happy." He said that he was happy. She said, "I will call you tomorrow." She said that she would call me the next day. They asked, "Where are you going?" They asked where I was going. "I can't do it," he said. He said that he couldn't do it. To report speech correctly, follow these key rules. When converting direct speech to indirect speech, the tense usually moves one step back in time, which is called as backshifting. Here are some common shifts. Present simple changes to past simple, present continuous changes to past continuous, present perfect changes to past perfect, and will changes to would. Pronouns often change depending on the speaker and listener. For example, I changes to he or she. For instance, "I am tired," she said. She said that she was tired. And we changes to they. For example, "We love music," they said. They said that they loved music. Words indicating time and place may also change in indirect speech. For instance, today becomes that day, tomorrow becomes the next day, yesterday becomes the previous day, now becomes then, and here becomes there. Observe this example. She said, "I will meet you here tomorrow." She said that she would meet me there the next day. Why is this important? Direct and indirect speech are widely used in various situations. Communication. It helps in reporting conversations accurately in both casual and professional settings. Storytelling. It enhances narratives by adding realism and engagement. Journalism. It is used in news reporting to quote sources correctly. And formal writing. It is common in essays and reports to convey statements in a structured manner. And finally, everyday conversations. It allows us to share information clearly and naturally. Mastering these aspects will help you communicate more effectively in various real-life situations. Want to master reported speech? Here are some quick tips. Understand the context before converting sentences. Memorize common tense changes for smooth transformation. Practice daily with example to gain confidence. And avoid mistakes like incorrect time, expressions, or pronoun shifts. Let's try a few exercises. Convert these sentences into indirect speech and send your answer in the comment section below or the email ID mentioned in the description box, and we will get back to you if there is any correction. That's all for today's lesson on direct and indirect speech. Keep practicing and you will master it in no time. Do remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more amazing grammar lessons. See you in the next video. Goodbye.